There's actually an alternative way to own real estate. You can benefit from the income from the property and it has a low startup cost. So what we're going to discuss today is an alternative way to own property. And it's called a real estate investment trust. Hey, welcome back to Money Talks. I'm R.E.I.T Jefferson, financial advisor, and I'm here to talk to you today about, do you think you should own real estate? Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate. A real estate investment trust makes money by leasing out property, collecting rent from that property, and passing that on to you, the shareholder of that real estate investment trust. Real estate investment trusts are required to pass along 90% of the income generated from these properties. We've talked about some of the benefits of owning a real estate investment trust, but what are the drawbacks? One of the drawbacks of a real estate investment trust is the taxation of a real estate investment trust. They are taxed as ordinary income. This would be just like your wages that you earn on your job. This would be just like interest that you earn from the bank. So I discussed real estate investment trusts so that way you have a knowledge of an alternative to owning real property. Thank you for coming back to Money Talks. I'm R.E.I.T Jefferson, financial advisor. For all my new listeners, don't forget to subscribe. And for all you coming back, thank you very much.